$4,925 in 9 days. How's it going? My name is David Dekel. If you haven't seen one of my videos before, this is more of an update video for what happened since I started with this little program called Easy One Up. I started exactly 9 days ago as I'm recording this video, and it absolutely exploded. I was actually hoping to make maybe $100, maybe $200 a day with it. I would have been pretty happy with that result. But let me actually log into my account and show you exactly what happened since I got started. And then I'm going to show you exactly what I do to generate these results. It's actually not me that's generating the results themselves. It's more of a system that I use that you can get access to as well. So check this out. Let me just flip the screen over. So here we are on the Easy One Up sign-in page, and my credentials are already there. So we're going to click Submit to log in. Give it a second to log in. And there you go. So $4,925 since I started exactly 9 days ago. I mean, if you do the math, that's, what is that? Sorry, I'm pretty bad with numbers. But if we do the math real quick, that ends up being 4,925 divided by 9. That's about $550 every day, which is about 4 times more than I was expecting to do with this when I initially got started with it. So here's the cool part. Here's the really cool part. None of the people that have joined, as you can see, it says 40 active members and quite a few unpaid members that are slowly kind of filing in and checking things out, and then they upgrade and things like that. But none of the people that I have in the system I've known personally, or I didn't meet with them to sit down and explain this one by one or anything like that. It's more of a system that I use that basically takes care of all of the marketing and all of the telling and selling and all that kind of stuff. And if you want to get access to the system, somewhere on this page, probably below this video, there's a link or a button for you to hit and go ahead and check out the system. I've made a very detailed video for you to check out exactly how I do this. So I'm not going to get into that in this video. But in 9 days, to be able to generate $4,925 since zero, like since I started, it was at zero. In fact, 9 days ago, I didn't even have an account with these guys. And to be able to do that in 9 days, I mean, again, that's to me, that's a win. That's a huge win. And I want to show you exactly how I did it. So if you haven't gotten started yet with Easy One Up, check out the link that's just below this video. In fact, it's not even about Easy One Up. The system that I'm about to show you on the next page, if you click the link below the video, it doesn't even promote Easy One Up necessarily. It's a different system, though. What happens is it helps you create multiple streams of income. Not one, but multiple, like 2, like 3, like multiple streams of income. So you're not just getting commissions from this program, but you're also getting commissions from other programs as well, which is kind of how I like to run my business. I don't like to put all of my eggs in one basket because, things happen and stuff changes and things like that. So I always like to have multiple streams of income kind of coming in. So if you're in the same mindset, if you want to do the work once and kind of enjoy the multiple, like, it helps you get big commissions, it helps you get recurring commissions, and it helps you also get like other commissions as well. I mean, it's just commissions all day long kind of stuff. So since the video I sent you yesterday, you've probably seen that it was at 4,675 or something like that. So another $250 came in for Easy One Up, which I'm really happy with. And again, it's not the end of the day yet. So hopefully by the end of the day, we're going to cross that $5,000 mark. And I'm already happy, but I'll be really happy if I could do that. So that's it for this video. I'm going to keep it really short, really simple. If you're interested to learn more about exactly how I do this, and it's not even me doing this, it's the system that I use that does all of this, just hit the link that's below this video. It's going to open up a video and it's going to basically show you exactly how I do this. I'm talking, you get to use the exact same system that I use, the pages, the videos, like the whole thing, not a similar system, but the exact same one. And as you can see, this is the results that it generated for me. So again, I would have been happy with even half of these results for the first week, or even half of those results, because all I wanted when I started this, whenever I start something new, I'm always aiming for $100, $150 stable. Like that to me is a good sign. But as you can see, this has done phenomenally well, and it went well beyond that. So that's it. I'm going to keep this video short. Thanks again for taking the time to check out this video. I'll see you on the next video, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.